Okay, this is my Babylock Flourish, and I'm turning it on. Once I touch the screen, it's going to tell me that the carriage is going to move. I just pulled my hoop out of the way. So I'm going to press OK, and then it just makes sure it has enough room to work. It says, is it okay to recall and resume the previous memory? I'm going to say OK, and the last thing I stitched on here was Flo's name. You can see it right there. Now on mine it tells you how many stitches, how long it takes to stitch out. And now I'm going to go back. And it says OK to cancel the current pattern. I'm going to hit OK. You can remove the embroidery unit here, but you have to press this button on here to do it. And I'm not doing it. I'm going to go into my alphabet. And you can see my alphabets. Whoops, I didn't want to go there. I have 3 pages of them, and I move between those pages here. And I can do Chinese and Sanskrit, and I think that's Japanese, that's Chinese. I think that's Sanskrit on the last one. I'm not 100% sure, but I have 11 choices there. And embroidery frame identification view. I can put a frame in my machine into here, and it'll tell me which frame I have in there. Here's my bag of crud that came with it, and I just have mine marked. And what kind of bobbins it takes, what kind of needles. You'll need a roll of stabilizer. This is tearaway. This is the first and only thing of this I've ever bought. And there's still plenty on it stuff. As far as thread, I got like 63 spools from the company whenever I bought my machine. And I've bought some others. But it doesn't go real fast even though it's low yardage on it. So, not sure what else you want me to show you. I can actually do some embroidery and show it to you. But I've done embroidery on it in all the chicken salad videos. So I think maybe that's covered. Let me know. All right, love you. Bye.